Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. I hope you're doing great. Let's get into today's forecast of the pound USD. Okay, so starting on the daily time frame today, we can see here that we are still in a range, guys. This is becoming annoying, but we are still in this range. As you all know, I have been on the sell side for quite a long time now. So yeah, we can still see we're still in the range here. So maybe there might be some movements heading up here before we finally go down, or maybe we can break this trend line and even this whole range for us to continue going down. But we can see here that we still haven't broken this level. Okay. Sorry. So moving on to the 4-hour time frame, we can see the range more clearly now. We had some rejections over here. I don't know. The moment I saw this reaction from my last video on Monday, I was really hoping that this sell could just go down all the way to this range. Now, I happened to take a sell around this position here, and it was a loss, you guys. It was a loss. If you've been watching my videos since last year, then you know I used to make videos on my trades of the week, and I'm hoping to continue that maybe from this week, just to let you guys know, on the trades that I've been able to take throughout the week. But yeah, I took this one here. It was quite a loss, man, but yeah, it is what it is. I didn't really think it would go up again. So yeah, we can see here that we still have this level that hasn't been broken yet. Maybe we might be pushing up again to just reach this target one more time and then finally going down. I'm not too sure about this one, but you guys, I think a sell would be best for me if the zone was from over here. Either there or a breakout from down here. Okay, so let's go to the 1-hour time frame now. When these colors, these support and resistance lines, I've changed like the colors to represent the previous day's lows and highs. So this was Friday's low and that was Friday's high around there. So today we're kind of in the middle. Now, I'm not too sure if maybe we might get a buy again and then maybe have it reach this level before, having it go down, or let's see. There might be that, or maybe I would personally like to also wait for something like this, a breakout, have it break Friday's low, and then a retest maybe to here or to here, this zone, and then take it down. But this is tricky today, guys, because it is in the middle of the range. And from what I learned last week, the lesson that I learned last week is not to trade in the middle of a range because, yeah, it's better to have your stop loss somewhere above here or to just, wait for a proper break and retest from down here. Now, because I'm an intraday trader, I look for trades every day. So today, that's most likely what I'll be looking for. Probably this situation here. I'm not too keen on getting a buy, guys. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm probably just gonna wait for, if it can come back here again, then I can take another sell from up here. If not, then I'll just wait and maybe take a sell from down here. So that's my bias. Of course, I'm not a pro. This is just my opinion. So let's just look at the dollar index very quickly. Now you can see here the dollar index is also ranging again, but we still haven't broken this trend line. This is the 4-hour time frame. And yeah, I think we might, be creeping up and maybe break this range. Who knows? Let's see. So this is a 1-hour time frame. And yeah, we can see here we have some movement going up. Maybe it might push up to confirm the sell that I want on the pound. But it might, sometimes this dollar is just a bit tricky, Sometimes I see it might even come to maybe this level again to react from here again and then go up. So, of course, if it does react like this, then it will confirm that maybe the pound could go for a buy and then now the long-term sell that I want. So yeah, that's just my forecast. I'm not too sure, man, but this is what I'm hoping for, either that or this sell move from over here. Taking a look at the Forex Factory calendar, today I am based in East Africa, so this is East African time. 6 p.m. on Tuesday, we have some USD news. Today is Monday, we don't have any news. I filter my news as well to filter the currencies of Euro, USD and pound. I hope I'm making sense. So yes, this is the news. Maybe when I make another video this week, we can get more into it. But I guess for tomorrow, it's just this dollar news. So yeah, we'll see what the market does. Anyway, so that's my analysis for the pound USD. Please share your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Road to 200 subscribers. Bye-bye.